what inspires me to pursue this profession as a social work? Siyempre, una-unang sa lahat, ang mga napapanahong issue sa ating bansa, sa ating komunidad, at yung mga taong nasa laylayan na nangangailangan ng boses para kaming mga social work ang mag-present para sa kanila.
I'm inspired to make a positive impact to people's lives and communities.
Maybe it is God's plan nga nung nag-take og social worker. But the most important thing na nag-inspire sa akon to pursue social worker is, of course, my family. And of course, is to share compassion to the community, to other people.
Today's oath-taking is more than the ceremony. It is the start of your commitment to service. You are now stepping in a field that requires not only knowledge, but also compassion, courage, and the most important is the integrity.
This oath-taking moment, to me, it is a celebration of recognition of all of our hard works, my co-registered social workers. It is a sign that we get through all the hardships na makuha lang ang lisensya kag may aras ang kudlit sa amon nga pangalan.
It is my great honor to welcome all of your 2025 oath-taking ceremony of new registered social workers. Today is a proud moment not only for the 2025 Social Work Board passers, but also to the parents, families, churches, and institutions who believe in them from the beginning.
Malaking pagbati sa inyong pagiging ganap na licensed social worker. Naway patuloy kang magbigay ng pag-asa at pagmamahal sa mga nangangailangan.
Kindly raise your right hand and repeat after me. Ako si state your name and your place of birth. Ay taimtim na nanunumpa na itataguyod ko at ipagtatanggol ang saligang batas ng Pilipinas.
Social work is a profession not by accident. It has been chosen by you with all your heart and with all your mind since the last 4 years of your life.
You now hold in your hands the power to inspire change, to restore dignity, and to champion justice.
Congratulations! So, yun, lahat ng mga pinaghirapan natin, ito na yung moment na wherein we can finally celebrate and say na tayo ay isang manggagawang panlipunan.
Today is a proof that dreams do come true. Stand proud, be proud, because you earned this moment. Congratulations and welcome to the profession of service. Thank you all for being here and mabuhay! Mabuhay ang mga manggagawang panlipunan.